Alright, hey everybody, it's AJ. And this lock here, let's see if I can zoom that down. I guess that's it. I just, a couple hours ago actually, found this in my yard, digging up some shit. It's pretty gnarly. It was cut, obviously, at some point. But that being said, let me slide this up just a hair. Whoops. It does say MF supply something, but it still may be pickable. We're gonna try it. I don't know, it may not be. It's kind of gnarly, but we're gonna find out. It may not even want to turn. We're gonna stick a pick in and see what happens. Oh, that's right. Getting a couple clicks out of it. Alright, they're going. Okay. I think we're going to be able to pick this thing. Yeah, it's a little crusty, but I think we're going to get it. It wants to go, but I think it's just kind of locked up with rust and shit. Oh wait, there it goes. It's open. It is open. If you can see that or not. There it goes. It just fell out. It's definitely open. Definitely a fun little treasure, I guess, so to speak. And I thought I would share that. So, yeah, it's been in the ground for a while by the looks of it. All this rust and whatnot built up on it. Kind of surprised it was pickable. Very cool. Why couldn't I dig up a beautiful old Yale or something? But hey, whatever, man. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful, and keep on picking.